Hello everyone, this is Jack Frost with an update for silver. Overall, a bearish Elliott wave count is still preferred. On the weekly chart, we can see price found resistance at the supercycle trend channel, now moving downward, which is likely to indicate the end of the bull market and cycle wave 2. At the end of cycle wave 2 is the start of cycle wave 3, which has a target calculated to reach equality in length with cycle wave 1 at 13.89. Any corrective movement within cycle wave 3 may not move beyond its start at 26.123. The daily expects minor 1 and minute 5 to be over at this current low, with a bullish engulfing pattern signifying the start of minor wave 2. Minor 2 may not move beyond the start of minor 1 at 26.123. On the daily alternate chart, we can see increased downward momentum for minuet 3, which lends significance to this wave count. Price also tested the trend channel for minute 2, which strengthens said resistance. Price is now expected to move lower for the end of minuet 5 within minute 5 within minor 1. For the bullish weekly chart, there is expected downward movement to continue for intermediate wave 2, with intermediate wave 1 over at the last high, testing the trend channel. Intermediate wave 2 may move lower, potentially testing the base channel before its end, and it may not move beyond the start of intermediate wave 1 at 19.909. Once intermediate wave 2 is over, we're expecting intermediate wave 3 within primary wave 3 having a target calculated at 1.618 times the length of 1 at 31.12. On the bullish daily chart, intermediate wave 2 is expected to be in minute 5 of minor C within a larger correction. The increased momentum on recent candlesticks lends significance, coupled with the fact that price is close to a 61.8% retracement of intermediate 1. Intermediate 2 cannot move beyond the start of intermediate 1 below 19.909. For the technical weekly chart, we can see volume flattens and declines, which expects price will not push any higher. ADX is declining, so there is no clear trend, and price is expected to continue to fall of its own weight, which lends significance to the bearish Elliott wave count. Stochastics is declining as well, coming back from overbought. On the daily chart, we can see volume flattens and declines somewhat, which lends more significance to the bearish Elliott wave count. ADX is increasing with a bearish trend, though with the bullish engulfing pattern here, it lends significance to the Elliott wave daily count. That's all for me today with your update for silver. Hope everyone's having a good week.